Hi, my name is Nick Klosky.
And I'm Lisa Wallach-Klosky. We are the co-authors of Make Getting Started with 3D Printing, second edition.
Thank you so much for picking up this book and being interested in the world of 3D printing. We had a great time making this book and look forward to sharing our knowledge with you on 3D printing, 3D design, and how to get into this fantastic world of creation.
And in this book, you are going to learn that we included many new chapters, including ones for businesses. So please read and enjoy.
Back when we wrote the first edition, we tried to include as much information as possible to help you get started on your journey. It paid off. The book has over 135 reviews on Amazon and was translated into 2 other languages. In this second edition, we loaded the book with new chapters and deep tutorials to make your learning even better. We start the book with a brief history of 3D printing and how it's being used today. Then we move to FDM printers and how to troubleshoot prints if they fail. We also detail resin printers and how to troubleshoot those prints as well. If you don't want to own a printer, no problem. We have a whole chapter on how to outsource any part of the workflow. But if you do want to own a printer, we list the top 10 ways to set up your workspace to get the best results. The second edition is loaded with lists and updated information on resources, materials, printers, services, and so much more. A big reader favorite are the CAD tutorials, which include Fusion 360, Tinkercad, and Meshmixer. All these great programs are either free or affordable for professional or consumer use. Here's an example of things you can create in the tutorials. You'll learn shortcuts and tricks to get to the best model possible. Something very new in this book is the chapter entitled How to Make a Prototype and Incorporate 3D Printing into a Business. Learn the top tools and ways to get products manufactured. We also discuss the future. We don't have a crystal ball, but read the book to see what's possible. And after all, remember 3D printing and 3D modeling is fun, exciting, and something you can do.
Happy printing!